Right now, you're probably exhausted, or you're about to be. Your body just shut down, and the next thing you knew, 8 hours had passed. You will spend roughly 230,000 hours of your life asleep. That's 26 years. Every culture on Earth, in every climate, across every era, everybody sleeps. The question is, when did this start? How far back does sleep actually go? 100 million years ago, the first mammals appeared on Earth. And here's what's wild about them. They were tiny. During the day, dinosaurs hunted. At night, dinosaurs slept. But early mammals, they came out at night. When dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, mammals didn't stop sleeping. By that point, sleep was genetic. It was automatic. Sleep was wired into their brains. In 2008, a research team at the University of Wisconsin studied fruit flies. Fruit flies sleep. Fruit flies have distinct sleep-wake cycles. If you deprive a fruit fly of sleep, it becomes irritable. And then, just like humans, it crashes and sleeps for longer periods to catch up. A fruit fly experiences sleep debt. If fruit flies sleep and they've been around for over 100 million years, then sleep goes back further. Sleep is one of the oldest behaviors on Earth. The answer is memory. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memories. During the day, your brain collects information. When you sleep, something profound happens. Your brain doesn't shut down. It activates differently. Your hippocampus becomes hyperactive. In 2013, neuroscientists discovered the glymphatic system, a network of channels in your brain. Cerebrospinal fluid washes away metabolic waste. During waking hours, toxic proteins are building up. Beta amyloid, tau proteins, these accumulate in Alzheimer's disease. Here's where it gets interesting. Because humans added something extra to sleep, we added dreams. During REM sleep, your brain shows a pattern almost identical to waking consciousness. Your visual cortex is firing. Your emotional centers are active. Dreams are a form of mental simulation. Your brain is taking emotional memories, running through scenarios, rehearsing for situations. Sleep is memory consolidation. Sleep is neural cleanup. And sleep is mental simulation. 3 critical jobs happening while you're unconscious. But here's the part that should stop you for a second. You're surrendering consciousness. You're letting your brain take over, and you're trusting that you'll wake up. For almost all of human history, sleep meant vulnerability. Humans kept sleeping. We adapted to it. So right now, tonight, when you fall asleep, you're continuing something that started before your species had language. Every time you struggle to wake up on a Monday morning, your brain isn't being lazy, it's finishing a job. Every time you feel that pull towards sleep, your brain isn't weak, it's insisting on maintenance. Your ancestors walked barefoot for 15,000 miles across continents they couldn't name. They went anyway. And that's the most human thing. Every night you close your eyes and sleep, you're not wasting time. You're literally keeping yourself alive. All the research is constantly evolving.